Sri Lanka's rise. President Rajapaksa must acknowledge popular anger and come up with a recovery plan. As irritated protesters gathered near the house of President Gotabaya Rajapaksa in the dispirited bid to highlight their suffering. The varying economic crisis in Sri Lanka has possibly reached its crescendo. The Rajapaksas, who have dominated the political and electoral scenes, face an unprecedented decline in the popularity as the people struggle for want of adequate money, fuel and food. The roots of the crisis may not lie wholly in the policies of Mr. Gotabaya, Gotabaya, who was swept to power in 2019 as a president, a platform of a strong leadership and uh, decisive action, while his party, the Sri Lanka Pradutana Pratirmanuna, won a landslide in the parliamentary election in a year later. The Rajapaksas did in its some economic problems while the pandemic cast a greater net. However, the current administrator is the needed responsibility for some ill-advised populist measures such as a rise in the threshold for income tax and VAT the state, leading to revenue loss. And and there was a questionable order to move to fertilizer-free farming overnight, which led to loss of yield and drip circumstances. The chemical fertilizer ban has been rolled back, but what is impact on food security remains at the more than anything what have appeared appear to infuriated the people is the perceptions of the governmental apathy toward their plight of denial of the extensions of a crisis and the absence of a roadmap for economic recovery. It may be a simplicity to summarize the positive factor behind the crisis as the excessive borrowings at high interest rate and the putative Chinese debate trap. However, there is behind it a tale of economic measurement for related use for public resources and possible mishandling of the monetary policy. Sri Lanka and Iceland nation heavily dependent on the import gains for its foreign exchange through tourism, the export of the garments and tea beside external payments. If the Easters and the blast of 1990 set back its tourism sector, the novel coronavirus pandemic almost finished it off. The heavy-handed lockdown overseen by a military task force had service economic concerns to large leaseholds were lost while earning self-and the country need measures to shore up its foreign exchange reserve and the balanced payment position. India has extended expenses amounting to $2.44 billion, and the Chinese are also looking feudal loss the country last, and it may have to accept significant compensation for a pilot package. However, advocated that the people thicken their belts and the suppress a little more may not work. The president should acknowledge both the depth of the crisis and the rising public dissatisfaction. What his country needed is emphatic leadership and the deserving measures to help the downward spill.